In this video, we'll explore what generative AI is and how it's starting to play a role in everyday life. Generative AI has become a major topic of conversation, appearing on social media, in the news, and likely in chats with friends or coworkers. From viral AI-generated art to tools like ChatGPT writing poems, stories, and even helping with everyday tasks, Gen AI has become a powerful tool in daily routines. So, what exactly is generative AI? At its core, generative AI refers to systems that can create new content, like text, images, or code, by identifying patterns in the data they've been trained on. Think of it as a digital assistant that can help you brainstorm, create, or explain things in new ways. Generative AI models, such as GPT for text or Dall-E for images, are trained on large datasets. They learn the patterns and relationships in that information, and then use those patterns to generate new content. While they can be incredibly helpful, it's worth remembering that the outputs are based on past data, not original thinking or human understanding. Text-focused tools like GPT, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, can help with drafting emails, studying, answering questions, or even writing fictional stories. These tools are especially useful for getting started on something or finding a different way to approach a topic. Image-based tools like Dall-E allow you to describe a scene or idea in text, and the AI generates a visual representation of that prompt. It's an accessible way to explore visual creativity, even if you're not a designer. So, how are people actually using generative AI every day? You might turn to ChatGPT to help write a message, plan a trip, explain a complex topic in simpler terms, or come up with fresh ideas when you're stuck. It's become a useful companion for both practical tasks and creative inspiration. Generative AI is also popular for creative work. Artists and content creators use it to design visuals, develop concepts, or just have fun experimenting, all with a simple prompt. That said, generative AI isn't flawless. It can sometimes produce content that's inaccurate, outdated, or biased because it reflects the data it was trained on. That's why it's important to double-check facts and think critically about the output. Used thoughtfully, generative AI can be a powerful tool for learning, creativity, and productivity. As the technology evolves, staying informed and using it responsibly helps you get the most out of what it has to offer. To learn more about Lenovo AI PCs, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or visit pcsupport.lenovo.com.